Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your photo using Canva. Okay, first of all guys, you can create new design on Canva and import your photo. And for example, I'm going to remove this text from this photo. If we want to remove something from our photo guys, we can use eraser feature in Canva. I'm going to select my photo and then we can go to the eraser and you will have two options. The first one is the magic eraser and the second one is the pixel eraser, and I'm going to use this one, but unfortunately it's not free guys. You need to have Canva Pro to use this feature. Okay, and then you can customize the brush size like this, and then just draw on the object that you want to remove. For me, I need to draw on this text because I want to remove the text. And after that, you just need to click on erase. Okay, and just hold on guys, it's still loading and the text will be removed. Okay, as you can see that the text has been removed from my photo, and I'm going to close it. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove text from a photo using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.